back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to see Instagram insights without a business account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So if you want to see your Instagram insights without a business account, then all you got to do is simply go to your Instagram. Now, you generally cannot see full Instagram insights without a business account or a creator's account, as this feature is exclusive to professional profiles, but you can switch for free to gain access, allowing you to track audience, demographics, content, and performance. So you need to simply tap on the hamburger like icon on the top right side of the corner, and you will end up in this kind of interface. Now you can go to your activity and see your tags, likes, and other different kind of information in it. So here you can even watch your time spent on Instagram and insights like this. Or if you want something more, you can simply go by looking at the reach and engagement that is given on a professional account. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.